In this video I'm going to show you how to watch Reels in high quality on Instagram. So what you need to do is always check if your internet connection is working properly. Also check if your Instagram app is up to date. And once you have checked that, then you will go to Instagram. Then click on your profile icon, open your profile and go to the three lines right on top. After that, we will scroll a little bit down, and before I continue, I would like to ask you to subscribe and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, we scroll a little bit further and we will go to media quality. And there you will find three options. So what you need to do is to disable the first one and to disable the third one. And always leave the middle one checked because you want to upload with the highest quality. So basically what you did is disabled HDR media and you are now able to see the media in HDR. So that is how you watch Reels in high quality on Instagram. Thank you for watching.